Hello from the beautiful waterfalls from North Carolina. Today I am bringing you guys along with me to the Pearson Waterfalls, which is located between Tryon and Saluda in North Carolina. There is small admission fee charged to enjoy these beautiful waterfalls. Adults over the age of 13 are charged $5 each, and children of ages 6 to 12 are charged $1, and free admission for children under 6 years. We need to hike about half mile to get to the waterfalls, and the trail well maintained by the garden club, and we can enjoy the gorgeous small waterfalls, small creeks and beautiful scenery all the way off the trail. Spring is a beautiful time to visit as the wildflowers are in full bloom, and also fall season will be great to see the colorful leaves all over the trail path. After the short hike, we are going to witness a beautiful Pearson waterfalls at the end. And be careful, there will be snakes reside here during warmer month, so stay on the trail and don't get into the water. And they don't allow pets here as it's private botanical preserve with native plants, and they allow only trained service dogs.